Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to do string validation algorithm. So what do I mean by string validation, right? So string validation means we are checking to see if the string meets the given constraint. And where would we use it? We want to check to see if the string is uppercase, lowercase, or even like we're checking for password complexity, in which sometimes it requires some of the characters to be uppercase and then some characters to be lowercase, and also sometimes we need like if the character is a digit, and does it have any numbers or special characters, right? So usually when we output the validation algorithm, we get a Boolean value out of it, which is true or false. That means either it meets the constraint or it does not. So to do validations in a string, we can use a standard C# library called link. So link is basically a uniform query syntax that makes it easy for us to work with data and help us validate our string. So in C#, if you look at my screen here, I'm using the standard library called using system.link. So now here, let's say we were to make a small function to actually check for checking to see if the string has uppercase or not. So I'm going to do static, since we said that the validation algorithm usually outputs boolean, so we'll use boolean, and then we'll do is uppercase, and then we'll pass in the string s as an argument. So next, it's pretty easy. It's a single line, so we'll just do a return, and then we check for in s, the string, and we can use this all, a little helper method here, and then we check to see if the character is, and then there should be that upper. So basically what we are doing here is, in each of the character that is passed into the s, we are checking to see if each character is uppercase or not, okay? So if I were to do check for this, run this code, there you have it. So we are checking for uppercase, and then we passed in a hello, which is definitely a lowercase, and this is definitely uppercase. I mean, this does have one uppercase, but not all of the characters in the string are uppercase, so it should be false, okay? So same way, if we were to do for lowercase, it's pretty easy. I just say lowercase, and then make sure this is, instead of is upper, we need to make sure it is lower, okay? Now in here, what I can do is, and then I can say lower, okay? And then if I were to run this again, here the first hello is all lowercase, so it should be true, which makes sense, and this is uppercase, so it's definitely false, and this is also false because not all of the characters in the string is lowercase, right? And you may ask, okay, what if I were to do like for password complexity? And that's easy too. We can actually say static in the same way, since we're passing as a boolean. We can say is password, and just giving a name for a function, and we pass in a string s. Now in here, instead of the all, we'll use any, because we don't want all of the characters to be uppercase, right? We want it should have all character which is uppercase, right? And then maybe we want to have all character that is lowercase, and also we want all characters, so that's why we use any, with some numbers, so we do digit, right? Now let's say I could say here and then pass in instead of the string, I'm gonna say, let's say Ukraine, because Ukraine is in the news. I say 1, 2, 3, and then I'm gonna pass another one that does not. So let's say this is just U with a small case, and then instead of 1, 2, 3, I'm just gonna say capital I. Okay. Now, if we were to check for this, let's run this code, and there you have it. The first Ukraine with U capital and 1, 2, 3 actually meets this condition right here. We're checking to see if any of the character is upper, and if any of the character is lower, and if any of the character has some digit, right? Is a digit, I guess. Okay, so this was a very simple tutorial on string validation. Hopefully this makes sense. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like and share and subscribe to this channel. I'll be making more contents, and I'll see you in the next video.